Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how I properly light up my interior scene in Sketchup. Uh, when I first start working on Sketchup, one of the biggest challenges was to present the clients or my doctors at university a good presentation, especially because as a SketchUp design you don't have like renders or anything, so you just export your scene. So to present a good presentation you should have a good lighting. Let us see the screen and see the interior scene I am working on and start the video. Okay guys, as you see on screen, this is our scene. It's an interior bathroom. Okay, this is how it looks without any lighting. So first of all, let us turn the sun on, and this will be the result. As you see, as I play in the months and the time, it's not really working, the sun here. In each of my scenes I should, like, the wall that directly perpendicular to my eyes, the light should be hitting it obliquely. So to make sure that, we need to check our north in the project and adjust the north. So let us go back to the screen. So guys, we have this plugin, it's called Solar North. You can download it from the extension warehouse. So Solar North display the north in our project. So let us see the north in our project now. So this is our project. Okay, when I press and display north, it will display the north is in this way. So for the sun to hit this wall, the north should be another way. So to change the north in the project, we set north another okay, so like that I set the north. Okay, as it is obvious now in the screen, the sun is entering from this window, okay, in this side, but still it is the shadow and the lights, it's not working. So first we should go to the shadow section here at the right side of the screen. Let us be sure that the light will be about 80 and the dark will be about 60. Okay, but I want the light to enter inside my scene. So for this I should select my models, go to entity info, and I will press the don't cast shadow. So now we can see the difference, and I will press the ceiling, I will do the same. Okay, so now obviously it's already better as I display. So we can see the rays entering and hitting this wall in front of us, and we see the shadows of the models as the bathtub, the WC, the basin. I still have this, I will see this shadow, okay, and I still have this. I will take the shadow for it, but to take the shadow first I will turn it off. This is a model. I will do like this. make a group. Okay, now let us check again. So the shadow is here. I will turn it off. Okay, we still need like light for these spotlights, and we still need linear light for this area here. Okay, the spotlights, we should make a circle, make the radius 10 cm, make it 10 cm, press pull, and scale this from here. Okay, make a group, move this upward, go like that, a plane section, go X-ray, a wireframe, move, move. Okay, so a view again. Okay, so this cone is like the rays that are coming from the spotlight. We will give them material, but I will make another copy and I will scale it a bit. Okay, okay, so now we go to materials, create a new material, light, set color. I will adjust the color to yellow orange. Okay, adjust the opacity to 20. Okay, so now as we see, we have this beautiful effect for the light. These edges are like annoying, so select edges and height. Select only edges and height. Let's show this. Let us check the scene now, how it is. Okay, so now we are satisfied with the sunlight and all the scene. And these lights, I am somehow satisfied with them. Maybe I will adjust the height a bit. Okay, as we see, we can like edit the opacity, make it 10. Okay, this make component, light, spotlight, okay, so copy this. All over the project. Don't forget to turn off the shadow while you are working, because the shadow make your scene much more heavier, so it will be very hard to navigate through your project. Okay, now I am just placing the light we made all over the spotlights. Okay. Let's check the scene. Okay. For now, I just want to add linear light for these wooden strips and deck of the bath. So I start by doing a normal rectangle. I will give this rectangle the light material I've did before, and I will select only edge, hide edges. I'll check how so it's perpendicular. I will rotate it a bit. I'll make a copy for this one. Rotate it. See how okay, as we see the light here, guys, we have this straight line edge as the light ends, and this effect is not really real, so we should edit it. So to edit it and make it like the light is fading, we should go to the Photoshop and make a PNG photo for the light. So let us go and do it. Okay, now we have this background. I will add a new layer. I will make it. I will go to gradient, and I will make this like this. Okay, so I adjust my light, and I pressed in the gradient tool. The gradient tool to have this like fading light shape. Okay, now I will turn off the background, and I will export this as PNG. Okay, heading back to SketchUp, turn off the shadows, create a new material, PNG light fading. Okay, so browse for material image file. We'll go to the desktop, PNG light, open. Okay. but here make sure that the opacity is 100 for now. Okay, so now texture position, I will actually do another rectangle for now. Okay, make a group, position, so I will move this to this point at the edge, and rotate. Select only edges, height. Okay, so we can see how the light is much more natural and real for me now. Incline it a bit, 5 degrees, copy, okay, rotate, to here, scale, okay, so I will do another rectangle here, group, same, okay, mechanic, texture position, okay, adjust select only edge, hide the edges, okay, and this I will copy for above, scale, or let us check the result. Okay, now as we see, because these new models we didn't don't cast shadow, press don't cast shadow, they are casting shadow from the sun. So we should press them and go entity info, don't cast shadow. Okay, it's much more better. Here for this light we can adjust the opacity for it, make it 50. Okay, I think it's much more better. I'm not sure if 20 will work. Okay, make it 50. This is it guys for today. If you like the video, please like, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next videos.